My name is Harald Frank, or you can say Harold Frank. It's more American. And I will show you a solution for the plastic waste. This could be a puzzle piece for combating the plastics, because we do have a plastic problem, and we have to say it day by day because we are struggling on that plastics. In advance, I would say that we see a ship, but the ship shouldn't move, because everybody knows if big ships move, the damage on CO2 is more than you can recover on plastics. So this is a stationary operations of a floating plastic recycling plant. And we are not hunting single plastic bottles in the garbage patches worldwide. So we are stationary, and this is not science fiction, this is science facts, because all equipment that is inside is proven, and we have from this ship still now initial design and also proof of concept. So let's go ahead. I told you some facts about the plastic problem. It's not only the obvious problem about pollution. We know that we have 400 million tons of plastic produced worldwide, and we think that this will double. And depending on the really low recycling rates, nearly 85% will end up at the landfills or pollutes the environment. We think that about 3% of all the produced plastics will end up in the oceans. And you can imagine from the 50s we have produced worldwide about 9 billion tons of plastics. So this is in total a large quantity. And we all know the second point I point out at this slide is that we waste energy if we don't use the plastic waste as a recycling, and we waste also resources, because if you are doing only primary plastic, you have a lack of resources. And for sure, we know the health risks. Not only the marine species are suffering from plastics, also all mankind have a problem. We are having this microplastics and nanoplastics in the food chains. We are eating it day by day, and we know that everybody is eating a credit card of plastics every year. So we have to struggle with this, and our solution is making small projects, and our idea is a SeeElefant that you have on the first slide to combat in a great size. So this is what we are doing. One Earth, One Ocean is an NGO. Steve told it. We are founded 2011, and we are making awareness and educational work in the schools, beach cleanups, ghost net recovery, and we are operating river and coastal cleaning facilities. So we are hurry up because time is running out. Some pictures from our programs, environmental education, beach cleanups, especially the World Cleanup Day in September. We are cleaning Baltic Sea beaches in Germany with 1,500 children. Ghost net recovery is a special item. I go ahead. So these are our facilities in the rivers. We have about 8 projects in several countries, mostly in Southeast Asia. You can see a standard facility. We take a barrier going in the river, and the current brings us all the waste. We are taking it out with a conveyor belt. You see it at the side, and bring it to our base camp. In the base camp we have sorting tables, and we divide in recyclables and non-recyclables, bringing it in the recycling loop. And we are also using photovoltaics and drive our boats electric. So we have a carbon neutral facility. Ship-based plastic recycling. You see the SeeElefant. This is a project we are working at 3 years, and we think that we got funding this year. The ship conversion will happen in the next year, and the commissioning 2027. It's a 180-meter bulk carrier. Second-hand bulk carrier. We have chosen Hyundai Mipo 35. This is a ship that you can buy from the world market in several quantities. So for us, it's important that this is not only a single solution. It's important that we can double it or multiply it, so we can get a most higher impact. But the first is the most complicated, and we have to go with the first as a demonstrator in some hotspot areas like Jakarta or, for example, Manila. The processing is about 60,000 tons per annum of plastic waste by an onboard plastic plant, and we generate with a waste-to-energy plant also on board about 80.5 megawatt hours per annum. All logistics are container-based, as usual in the shipping industry. So we have a small animation video where you can see inside the SeeElefant and can see what will happen inside and how the solution will work. Okay. Oh, we are running out of time, so I go a little faster through the slides. The first question I get is why for the hell on a ship? And if you look at other applications, this is a good idea to make plans on a ship because you don't need space. You can take the mobility and go at another place. We have several examples, cruise liners, we have LNG terminals on the ship, power plants, wind farms, everything is going on a ship. And if you have the problem in the metropolitan areas with the plastic waste and overfilled landfills, you have to face the item that you have no space in these metropolitan areas to build facilities for sorting and for waste to energy and for all these items. So you can come with a turnkey solution and operate this from the first day. We have two modes, two certified modes: a transfer mode where we go to the location, to the final destination, and we have this operation mode where we go at the harbor or the mooring, and then we are staying there and operate the SeeElefant with plastic waste. We have some waste collection catamarans. You see it on the picture. We are going there and taking nearshore plastics and river plastics and plastics from the harbor to put it in the feedstock. I go a little faster. Ecological benefits, it's a very important thing. It makes a difference because we avoid to produce primary plastics. So it's a positive contribution to decarbonization. We have calculated about 84,000 tons CO2 per year we can save, because we have the situation that we compare both scenarios, landfill against SeeElefant, and if we make the additional plastic recycling, the number will be more than 80,000 credits. This is once more a look inside the SeeElefant. The feedstock is coming from households and industries, and for sure also from the water. We get out sorted plastics, the typical fractions: PET, HDPE, LDPE, PPPS, and mixed plastics, glass metals, electric energy from the energy plant. You see it in the left compartment of the SeeElefant. And some innovative details from the SeeElefant. I skip it. We have a technical data sheet. This is you can see we have the initial design with our team of shipbuilders and construction engineers. I skip it. This is our schedule. We hope that we get the funding this year, end of 2025, construction 2026, and trial operations in Germany from 2027, and then we bring the ship to the final destination. We have made financial planning a business model where we have sales costs, cash flows, quantities, capacity, and all you need. Some charts. So if you are interested in details, please come to our booth at the table in the hall. You can we can discuss more deeper. So some figures. This is based on a location in Cyprus, because you can see European Innovation Fund grants that we can get if we go to the EU, but mostly we have this problem in Southeast Asia. Okay, this is a slide with our partners that are still on board. We have several MOUs, and so we are happy to go ahead with this project, because I think this can make the difference. Thanks a lot.